Golden gloves. Hello, my friend today Kern will tell you about mini golden gloves, Ollie Classic, which you can see how it goes through the process of working.
First step is sculpture mini glove into mold the model prototype of the pilot line to begin. 3. This has to be done by hand. Once the desired size is achieved, it will be taken to making a mold for casting.
For the person who helped Kern with the mold design was Mr. Karn, who we always use his talent ability.
You will see that we both discuss, consult, and plan carefully about how the work will turn out. The previous one, he made a mold to display keep as a souvenir.
To display it in the house, so material he used his simple mixture of stucco soft flagons like ordinary cement. However, this new one, he had make it stronger, so it can be carried around anywhere. It is made from resin, which has a higher processing cost but will strong and durable when use it as a key chains or key holder.
As you see in the picture, once the model is created, we will carefully paint it. There will be marks when it comes out of the mold.
He has to rub it with a file or sandpaper to make the surface smooth before painting it by hand. With oil gold color, look nice and durability. It will take a day or two for the oil color paint to dry and then recheck it conditions again. If you look closer to the glove's surface, its script are printed with the words, Ollie Classic, to honor the great boxer of the past. Back of the gloves that kept as souvenirs for interior decorations. There are tiny genuine real rubies on both gloves. The new material used in this time is durable resin, which is very strong. You may wonder how Kern will selling his works, right? Marketing. There are 3 types of marketing sections. The first type he will sell at his The Art Gallery.
The second type will be selling online, which he is looking for a new partner who had IT of digital art knowledge.
The third type will sell on consignment at MBK Mall Bangkok, on the 3rd floor, where there sells all boxing gears. The area selling Muay Thai, sports equipment, accessory at MBK Shopping Mall. Name of the shop is Muay Thai Battle.
Because all of his works are done by hand with genuine mini ruby, with limited number base on first come first picked. If you feel like to own this Ollie Classic boxing gloves, kindly send him a message at this address source2000@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.